Hi, I'm Brian from Modus Advanced. Let me take you to the shop floor and show you some quick tips. Today we're doing a little bit of machine maintenance. This on our Coolant mills, they have it's called a through pin. This is a seal that is a consumable item. What this does is, as we're using through tool coolant, this has a face seal on it that mates to the top of the tool holder, the retention knob, which has a hole in it. And this allows us to use through spindle or through tool coolant, and that allows us to run faster feed rates, make sure that we have proper chip clearance, cooling of the cut, lubrication of the clear. So this is the retention mechanism for our tool holders into the spindle housing. This is the through spindle coolant seal. This gets inserted in a little bit of lubrication. It's inserted into this housing here. Make sure it's all in place. So right here you can see how this functions. There is a drawbar. It's a hydraulically activated cylinder inside the spindle housing. What that does is it pushes this mechanism down. When the tool is placed into the spindle, it creates the sealing surface here on the top of the retention knob. Pushes down, and then these grippers, which are here, which are there, hold the tool into the spindle. And this causes the tool conical face to interface and connect to the internal portion of the spindle nose. That way there is a solid, secure mechanical connection between the tool holder and the spindle whenever it's performing its cutting operations. So on occasion, we have to go through and replace these consumable items. So this is the old one. This is what a new one looks like. The machines have automated timers that let us know when it's time to do the routine maintenance.